So to make the words, you need the Phonto app. Click on the camera, plain images, choose the white one. So I changed the size because of the way I made my words, so I chose this one. And then choose on the export and then use. Then tap anywhere on this white screen and then type the text. I put girl or boy because I was doing a cake topper for a gender reveal. I was already working on this, so the font is already chosen for me, but you could choose whatever font you want. Then click on style and click on stroke. And you could either tap on the black color or you could do alpha all the way to 1. And then the width, you move it to whatever width you desire. This is the offset part of the word. And whenever you have your desired width, go ahead and click on done. And then make sure you center the words inside the box. Then click on the export, click on save image. And then open up Cricut Design Space, upload, select from library, find the picture that you just saved from Phonto. Use the remove tool and move it all the way to the plus sign and just start selecting everything from the background, everything that is white inside the words. And then even the little pieces that are in between the letters, that's also part of the background. So once you have it, it does have a little bit of jaggedy edges. So just click on smooth and smooth. So I made some of the lines a little more sharper. Once you're happy with the way it looks, go ahead and click on next. Cut image, name your file, and go ahead and import it into your canvas. So once it's in the canvas, it's all one image, so we need to separate it. So to do that, we need to slice it. So we get on shapes, pick the square, and resize it to a rectangle. And cover the whole word boy and then slice it. So just remove the rectangle and then keep both of the layers of the word because you're gonna need them. Then repeat the step with the word girl. You could choose or you could choose girl, whichever one. And then slice it. And then this helps to separate all the words. So then delete the rectangle again. We don't need that. And then the or, just duplicate. You need 2 of each. Okay, so now we're ready to contour the letters. Start with 1 and then contour everything that is inside. So all the letters, and you get the outer image. So I'm gonna change the color to pink. This is optional, it just helps me visualize it a little more. So for the next one, you do the opposite. You contour the outer layer and you keep the word. And this one I'm gonna do it, well, it's gonna be gold glitter, so I just choose whatever yellow color I find. And then you're gonna repeat it with the or. Same thing, contour everything that's inside, and for the other one, contour everything that is outside. This is going to be white, and then for this one, it's also going to be gold glitter, so I'm gonna do the yellow again. And then same thing with boy. You could group each section and then move them around to see how you want the words to look. Make sure they are overlapping a little bit because you are going to weld it. So I added some hearts to this one, and once you have the whole image how you want it, you're going to select everything, duplicate, and you're going to weld one of them. This is going to be the backing of the topper. It helps you paste everything on it and make sure everything aligns, and it makes the topper a lot more sturdier. So then I just added the hearts. I changed the color of the hearts. These are going to be a different color glitter. So in case your image doesn't weld as good like the way it did right here on the heart, just take a little square or whatever shape and then resize it, place it in between both of the shapes, and then just select all and weld. So now select all the topper and put it on top of the background. You could just select the background, move to the back, and then select all, resize it to whatever size you want the topper to be. Now all there is to do is to send it to cut, move some images around if you have to, and just cut and assemble. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.